A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera say. My name is Ronald Uekwamakusha, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. On the screen is a court order, which was issued, and this is a court order between Douglas Mwonzora and it's between Elias Mudzuri and others versus Douglas Tograsey Mwonzora and the MDC. So let me try to read what is on that court order. We know that Mudzuri and others, they were expelled from the MDCT. And according to ZimLive, they said MDCT officials, including Deputy President Elias Mudzuri, have had their purported expulsion by the Douglas Mwonzora-led party overturned by the High Court. And this is the court order, which is right on the screen. And we have Elias Mudzuri, No Rest Marara, Gift Konjana, Den Moyo, Edward Karoma. And we have Movement for Democratic Change as the first respondent, Douglas Mwonzora, Morgan Komichi, and Paulina Mpariwa. So you can actually see that the order says clause 11 of the purported resolution of the first respondent dated 21 January 2023 by the Congress of the first respondent, and be and is hereby declared inconsistent with the right to a fair hearing and access to courts in terms of Section 69(3) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, and right to equal protection of the law in terms of Section 56 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. So the respondents shall jointly and severally, the one paying the other, being okay. I can't read here because of my being absolved, pay the costs on a client legal practitioner scale. So there is a shed right here on the court order which I am reading. So this is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. Team Mwonzora has been thrown under the bus by the High Court. They've ordered that the expulsion of Elias Mudzuri and others is does not comply with the right to a fair hearing, which means that these people were not put under a fair and acceptable hearing by the MDC leaders. So it shows, or it means, these people will be allowed to come back to the party. They are still members of the party, and this includes the Congress, which was done, which means they still have their rights to be called vice president or to hold the positions which they held before the Congress. That is my understanding from this court order. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Uekwamakusha. This is what is happening in the politics of Zimbabwe. This is what is happening. Douglas Mwonzora lost a court case to Elias Mudzuri and others. This is it.